Hello, beautiful ladies. Welcome back. Have you ever stood in front of your closet and thought, I have plenty of clothes, but nothing that truly feels elegant or timeless? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're spotlighting the wardrobe staples every woman over 50 should own. Pieces that combine sophistication, comfort, and lasting style. These aren't fast fashion trends. They're timeless investments that elevate your everyday look while still feeling completely effortless. Let's begin with one of the most essential and versatile pieces, the silk blouse. Effortless elegance. A silk blouse is the definition of timeless chic. Known for its luxurious drape and subtle sheen, it instantly elevates any outfit, whether you're running errands or attending a formal dinner. The beauty of silk is its adaptability. It keeps you cool in summer, warm in winter, and always polished. When choosing the perfect silk blouse, look for classic cuts with clean lines and gentle tailoring. Thoughtful details like covered buttons, French seams, or a graceful V neckline. Neutral shades such as ivory, blush, or navy for maximum versatility. How to style it? For casual elegance, pair a silk blouse with high-waisted straight-leg jeans and loafers. Add a delicate pendant necklace to softly frame your neckline. For a polished evening look, layer it under a tailored blazer with slim-cut trousers and elegant pumps. Finish with a structured handbag to pull the outfit together. This is one investment piece that never disappoints. It whispers sophistication without trying too hard, making it a cornerstone of any refined, mature wardrobe. The camel coat. Timeless outerwear. Few pieces say sophistication quite like a camel coat. It's the ultimate investment piece, warm, versatile, and effortlessly elegant. Whether in luxurious cashmere, soft wool, or a practical wool blend, a well-tailored camel coat instantly elevates even the simplest outfit. Why it works so well. The rich, honey-toned shade flatters all skin tones, adding warmth and depth. Clean lines and minimal detailing ensure it never feels too busy or trendy. The right cut elongates the body, creating a sleek, graceful silhouette. How to wear it? For an everyday look, layer a camel coat over monochrome outfits in cream or navy. Add brown leather boots and a coordinating handbag for a seamless, polished effect. For evening wear, drape it over a silk blouse and tailored trousers with pumps. Instantly refined, instantly confident. The beauty of the camel coat is its versatility. It works just as effortlessly with denim and sneakers. Denim! Nothing balances comfort and polish quite like the straight-leg jean. Unlike skinny styles that can feel restrictive or overly trendy, wide-leg cuts, straight-leg jeans strike the perfect balance. Refined, flattering, and endlessly wearable. Why they're essential. The cut is streamlined, not tight, not baggy, creating a long, lean line that works for every figure. A mid to high-rise fit smooths the tummy, defines the waist, and elongates the legs. Minimal distressing and a clean finish make them look elevated enough for any occasion. How to style them. For daytime elegance, pair them with a soft cashmere sweater and pointed flats. Simple, chic, and comfortable. For evenings out, elevate them with a tailored blazer, heeled boots, and a structured handbag. Effortless sophistication with zero fuss. The best part? A high-quality pair in a dark indigo or rich black wash can act as the foundation for countless outfits, bridging the gap between casual and dressy. They're the denim equivalent of a little black dress, timeless, versatile, and confidence-boosting. The classic blazer, instant polish. Few pieces transform an outfit as effortlessly as a classic blazer. It's the ultimate style weapon, structured, versatile, and confidence-boosting. For women over 50, it adds authority without stiffness and elegance without effort. Why it's essential. A well-tailored blazer skims the body, creating clean lines that flatter mature figures. It offers structure and sophistication whether paired with denim, trousers, or dresses. Timeless colors like navy, charcoal, or deep black ensure maximum versatility across seasons. How to style it. For professional settings, layer it over a silk blouse with tailored pants and pumps. You'll look polished and powerful. For casual chic, throw it over straight-leg jeans with ballet flats or loafers. Instant elegance, zero effort. Look for single-breasted cuts with minimal embellishments and just below the hip length for the most flattering fit. The magic of the blazer is that it pulls everything together. Whether you're off to a meeting, brunch, or dinner, it gives your look the polish that whispers elegance without shouting for attention. The structured handbag, quiet sophistication. No polished wardrobe is complete without a structured handbag. Think of it as the finishing touch that brings balance, elegance, and quiet luxury to any outfit. Unlike slouchy bags that can overwhelm your frame, a structured design provides clean lines and timeless sophistication. Why it matters. A structured handbag instantly makes your outfit look intentional and refined. Its architectural shape elevates even casual looks like jeans, medium size, that holds your essentials without looking bulky. Quality craftsmanship, reinforced corners, brass hardware, lined interiors, classic silhouette that won't date, making it a true investment piece. How to style it. Pair a camel coat and straight-leg jeans with a cognac structured handbag for daytime chic. For evenings, a sleek black blazer with a Bordeaux bag creates understated elegance. Match your handbag tone with your shoes or belt to tie the look together effortlessly. The beauty of a structured handbag is in its balance of function and form. It's practical enough for everyday use yet polished enough to elevate your entire style. A piece that doesn't shout, but quietly says, I know my style. Outro, timeless confidence. Ladies, these 5 staples, the silk blouse, camel coat, straight-leg jeans, classic blazer, and structured handbag, aren't just clothes and accessories. They're the building blocks of timeless elegance. Each piece is versatile, refined, and designed to carry you with confidence no matter the occasion. Remember, style after 50 isn't about chasing every trend. It's about curating pieces that make you feel polished, comfortable, and authentically you. When you invest in classics that flatter your shape and elevate your presence, getting dressed becomes simple and joyful.